Today I will teach about a problem of one-way classification. Problem is, below are given yield per acre for 5 trials plots of 4 varieties of treatments. Given that 5 plots, 4 varieties of 5 plots. We need to carry out analysis of variance and statement conclusion. State your conclusion. This is the question. So how to do this problem? First we write it as our table. X1, X2, X3, X4, and I already sum it first column, second column, third column and fourth column. Next, what is N? N is a total number of observations. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total observations are 5, 5, 5, 5. 5 into 4, 20. So N equal to 20. Next, T. T is sum of all observations. That means observations are 42 plus 50 plus 62 plus 34 plus 52 plus next column 48 plus 66 plus 68 plus 78 plus 70. Next column plus 68 plus 52 plus 76 plus 64 plus 70. Next last column 80 plus 94 plus 80, 78 plus 82 plus 60. This is the T value. What is this sum? I think I got T is 1300. So N is 20. T is 1300. Next, T square by N. We need T square by N. So next we did the T square by N. What is T? T I got 1300 square by 20. So you did in calculator 1300 square, 1000 into 1000 or 1300 square divided by 20. Using by calculator you got 84,500. This is the value. Okay. Next you find SST. What is SST? I already say that SST is sum of squares of observation. Sum of observation minus T square by N. So I already did the T square by N. I got what is T square by N. Next we need to do sum of squares of observation. So we will start first observation 42 square plus next 50 square plus etc. For all observations. We have 20 observations. So all observations we square it and add it up to 66 square minus T square by N. What is T square by N? 84,500. Sum of squares of these observation I got this minus 84500 you did in using by calculator, and you got this value is 4236. Okay, so first did all observations sum, so you got this one value, one large value, minus 84500 you got 88736. This squares you got 88736 minus 84500. So this value you got 4236. Okay. So we got SST equal to 4236. Next you find SSE. Sorry, SSC. SST you find next SSC. SSC is sigma x1 square by n1 plus sigma x2 square by n2 plus sigma x3 square by n3 plus sigma x4 square by n4. I already done in this table. Sigma x1 is 240, sigma x2 is 330, sigma x3 is 330, sigma x4 is 400, and n1 is 5, n2 5, n3 5, n4 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 observations in each column. So you got sigma x1 equal to 240 square by 5 plus 330 square by 5 plus 330 square by 5 plus next 400 square by 5. So you using by calculator minus t square by n. This square minus t square by n. This is the formula. Sigma x1 square by n1, sigma x2 square by n2 plus sigma x3 square by n3 plus sigma x4 square by x4 minus t square by n. So here t square by n. So t square by n you already have 84500. So you use by calculator. This square sum divided by 5 is 87080 minus you already know t square by n is 84500. So you got 2580. Okay, so you got SSC is 2580. So now we got first is t square by n is 84500. Next SST is 4236. Next SSC is 2580. Next you find SST. SSE. SSE is SST minus SSC. We have SST and SSC. So SST minus SSC is SSE. So SST, what is SST? 4236 minus what is SSC? 2580. So this value is SSE. SSE is 1656. SSE we got 1656. Next you find MSC, mean square value. MSC is equal to SSC by K minus 1. What is SSC? I got 2580 divided by what is K? K is number of samples. K is number of samples. Here samples are yield. Here number of samples are 4. Each sample have 5 observations, but the number of samples are 4. So K equal to 4. 4 minus 1. So MSC equal to SSC divided by K minus 1. 2580 divided by 3. So 860. Next, MSE equal to SSE divided by N minus K. So I got SSE is 1656 divided by SSE is 1656 divided by what is N? N is total observation 20 minus K is samples 4. So 1656 divided by 60. Using my calculator you got 103.5. 103.5. So we got MSC also. Next we can write down the ANOVA table. Source of variation. Yesterday I said that ANOVA table criteria. One is source of variation, sum of squares, degree of freedom, and mean square. So here between sample, within sample, and total. Here SSC, SSE, SST. SSE is 2580. SSE is 1656. We got 2580. This is 1656. SST is 4236. And degree of freedom K minus 1 equal to 3 between sample, within sample. N minus K equal to 16. MSC, MSE. MSC is 860 and MSE is 103.5. Okay. Next we calculate F value. That is equal to MSC divided by MSE. 860 divided by 103.5. By calculator you got 8.3. So calculated F value is 8.3. Next you take a tabled value. So you need degree of freedom. Degree of freedom here in this case by classification. Degree of freedom is K minus 1 N minus K. So K minus 1 we already got 3 and N minus K is 16. So we got 3, 16. This is the degree of freedom. Next in this case level of significance did not given. Therefore we take a 5% degree of freedom. That means 0.05 is degree of freedom. So you take F table and F table has 5% F table, 1% F table. So here 5 you take a 5% F table and N1 in this row and N2 in this column. So 3 corresponding to 16. You got the F value, tabled F value. That is 3.24. So here calculated value is 8.3 and tabled value is 3.24. So table value is less than calculated value. Otherwise we can say calculated value is larger than tabled value, more than tabled value. Therefore, the null hypothesis H naught is reject, did not accept. Here table value less than calculated value. Therefore, we reject our hypothesis. That means the treatments of same the 4 samples, treatments of 4 samples is not effect. Okay.